How to fix Facebook not loading in Chrome error. 1. Try another browser. 2. Clear the cache. File in your Chrome. 3. Open Facebook. In incognito mode. 4. Reset your Chrome. Browser. 5. Using the recommended NordVPN in this video guide. 6. Disable installed extensions one by one, turn off one, then refresh the Facebook page. 7. Flush DNS via IP protocol configuration /flushdns command, admin mode. For Mac users, run sudo killal hupm DNS responder command instead. 8. Terminate and restart. Google Chrome. 9. Check Facebook servers. 10. Update Chrome. Browser. 11. Check your internet connection fully. 12. Sync system date and time. 13. Change DNS. Settings. 14. See more tips at https://www.facebook.com/help/14166439952156990. I'm seeing a problem with how Facebook appears on my web browser.